In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make.com for beginners in our free automation tutorial. Whether you're looking to streamline tasks for personal use or in a professional setting, this tutorial is a great way to start gaining efficiency through automation. First, we'll begin by heading over to Make.com. If you haven't used it before, Make.com is a fantastic tool designed to help you automate tasks and connect various applications seamlessly. Once you're on Make.com's dashboard, you'll want to click on Create Scenario. Think of scenarios as sets of instructions you give Make.com to carry out, allowing it to automate specific tasks for you. Now that we're in the scenario creation stage, let's explore a practical example featuring Gmail and Google Sheets. Click on Gmail to start setting up an automated action involving your email. Next, select Create a Draft. With this action, we're telling Make.com to automatically generate a draft email for us, a useful feature for daily or repetitive communications. After setting up your draft email, make sure to click Save. This step ensures that your draft creation settings are stored, ready for execution. It's always a good habit to save your work as you go to avoid redoing steps in the event of an accidental closure or error. The next part of our scenario involves adding another module, so go ahead and click to add one. Now choose Google Sheets from the list of available apps. Google Sheets is a powerful tool when combined with automation, especially for those who work with data and spreadsheets regularly. From the options under Google Sheets, select Update a Cell. This action will let Make.com know that it should modify a specific cell in one of your Google Sheets. Here, you'll need to choose your spreadsheet ID. This ID is essentially the unique identifier of the specific Google Sheet you want to work with, ensuring that Make.com updates the right document. Locate your to-do list within the sheet and click on that option. Then navigate to the relevant sheet name and select it. Make sure you're updating the correct section by choosing To Do. You'll then go to Select, where you specify exactly which cells need updating based on your task requirements. Once all your selections are made, hit Save to secure all these settings. And now, for the exciting part, click Run Once. By doing so, you're instructing Make.com to execute the scenario we've just configured. This will test the workflow, ensuring everything operates as expected. Congratulations, you've just set up a basic automation scenario using Make.com, linking Gmail with Google Sheets. Feel free to explore more applications and scenarios to further customize and optimize your daily routines. Automation is a powerful ally in productivity, and with the foundational knowledge from today's tutorial, you're on your way to mastering it. Happy automating!